Welcome to the Boat Galley Podcast. I'm Carolyn Shearlock, here with tips, reviews, and how-tos for your cruising adventure. This episode of the Boat Galley Podcast is sponsored by FastSeas.com. Plan your next passage using FastSeas.com. Whether you're after speed or comfort, FastSeas will find the optimum route to your destination. FastSeas, making weather routing simple. Use coupon code GALLEY2018 for an exclusive 10% discount. Slow down, slow down. Weird wiring colors. In general, Barefoot Gal's 12-volt wiring uses red for the positive and black for the negative. But as we've been doing work on various components of the electrical system, we've also come across white on both the positive and negative sides, green, yellow, gray, and even found one place where black was used on the positive side. On a few occasions, a single wiring run would change color several times. Now, all these colors do have particular meanings in a 12-volt system. If you want a list of them, go to Jamestown Distributor's website and you'll be able to find them. What I'm talking about here, though, is the incorrect use of these colors. Apparently, some people working on the boat had simply used whatever piece of wire they could lay their hands on that was the right size. It certainly has made tracing wires, let's say, interesting. Future troubleshooting might be even more problematic. One option would have been to rewire the strangely colored circuits, but that would have been expensive and time-consuming. Plus, things worked well the way they were wired. One of Dave's favorite sayings is, "If it ain't broke, don't fix it." I tend to agree. So we opted for the simpler, much simpler solution. A few rolls of red and black electrical tape. Whenever we trace a circuit and find a funny color, we wrap the wire in the correct color, leaving the connectors untaped so we can see any problems developing. We use a lot of cheap black electrical tape on the boat for non-electrical temporary things, but for this purpose, we bought good electrical color coding tape. Well, you can get this at West Marine and other specialty stores. It's a lot cheaper to buy it at home improvement stores such as Lowe's and Home Depot. Here in the Florida Keys, it was almost exactly half the price at Home Depot, as the exact same tape was at West Marine. Happy taping, and until next time then. Thanks for listening. If you like the show, please be sure to subscribe in your podcast app. Just search for the Boat Galley Podcast. And reviews are always appreciated. Until next time then. Slow down, slow down.